to make a guy miss you. 4 proven ways. If you want to remind your significant other how important you are to her, then this article is for you. It is always nice to know that your lover misses you when you are not together and you are willing to go to any lengths to try to achieve this. You feel that the separation strengthens the feelings. You do everything possible and impossible, but all to no avail. You cannot get the desired result and it greatly discourages you. The fact is that you are right and the separation really does strengthen the feelings. Most likely, you are not succeeding because you are making certain mistakes. As ironic as it may sound, but you can get closer to a man by moving away from him. If you are head over heels in love with a person, you will miss them every time they are not with you. The more you miss the person, the more you will look forward to the next meeting and also appreciate the time you spend together more. If you miss them, it means you are emotionally invested in this relationship and this person, and their absence from your life is extremely difficult for you to bear. If you want to remind your significant other how important you are to her, then this article is for you. When you wholeheartedly long to be with your lover, it is as if a flame is ignited inside of you. It is very similar to the feelings one experiences when one is addicted to drugs, alcohol, etc. When what dear to a man is taken away from him, he has a feeling of emptiness and uncertainty. Every girl needs a man who will appreciate her and not take her for granted. To be sure of this, you need to do the following. 1. Always radiate positivity when he is near you. If you are always annoyed and exude one negativity around him, there is no way he will miss you. To make him miss you, always give him positive emotions, make him smile and laugh, help him with his daily chores to make his life a little easier. That way, if you disappear from his life, even for a minute, he will feel empty and will miss you madly. But first, you'll have to learn to give him only positive emotions. And no one wants a girl who will only be annoying and get on his nerves. 2. Do not forget about personal space. No matter how much you love each other and how close you are, you should by no means lose your individuality. You both need to make time to be alone with yourself and your thoughts. If he asks you for personal space, you should always support him. After all, how can he miss you if you won't leave him alone? 3. Stop making every effort to make him miss you. When you're spending time alone, stop doing your best to make him miss you. Stop sending him tons of messages and selfies and tagging him in every Facebook post you make. Contrary to your hopes, this won't make him miss you at all. To really get him to start missing you, periodically disappear from his life for a little while. 4. Don't rush your relationship. Take your time with your relationship. If you give your man everything he wants right away, he will feel like all the power over your relationship is in his hands. Instead, force him to seek your love and attention. The less he gets, the more he will want you.